order to get rich, you need to put the effort in. Start that business and have money. But what does it take to get there? That's where you need a financial glow-up, a way to change your habits and your lifestyle to help you reach real wealth at a young age. I'm going to be going through 3 key ways, with the end tip being the most important. The first way is changing your aesthetic to look rich. Obviously, there's the stereotype of 2 types of rich people, the rich and fat, and the good-looking, attractive type. Now here's how you become the second option, and this comes back down to your style. First, you want to start wearing less baggy clothes and more tailored clothing. This comes off as much more professional and also confident. For example, look at these 2. One has tight clothing and one has baggier clothing. The tighter clothing helps your features stand out. The next thing you want is a rich-smelling cologne to use daily. The cologne you use is extremely important, as different types of fragrances give off different scents. We want to aim for something that's woody and smells fresh and clean. A few recommendations I have used is Tom Ford Ombre Leather, Dior Sauvage Elixir, and Tom Ford Noir. These fragrances smell masculine and instantly make you smell much better. But the most important feature that comes to looking wealthy is by having accessories and being well-groomed. These 2 work together. If your hair is messy, uneven, and you have bed hair all the time, having a good smell or nice clothes isn't going to help much. Instead, you should be getting a hairstyle that is clean and tidy. Although if you still want that messy look, aim for the hair to be clean and tidy around the sides, so it looks less over the place. These will help you look and feel much more confident and feel rich. The second key way to glow up as a guy financially is to eliminate your bad habits. I know this sounds pretty common. Sure, you want to have good habits like working out, having a good sleep schedule, and good diet, but it comes down to much more than that. If you want to set yourself up for success and become more attractive financially, you need to reprogram the things you like by removing your bad habits, like checking your phone for hours, binge watching Netflix every night. This is where, instead of learning, you need to unlearn. This is when you train yourself to stop doing the bad habits that stop you from progressing towards your goals. What I want you to do is write down every habit you have and ask yourself, is this helping me reach my goals? And then start implementing tactics to remove them. For example, a bad habit you could have is bad posture. A good starting place to fixing your bad habit is by reading the book Atomic Habits. You should be able to find a link in the description. The most important tip that comes down to looking rich and feeling rich is your mindset. The reason this is so important is during wealth, there is the stereotype of being rich, douchey, and overall a terrible person. This is extremely unattractive and just morally wrong to the majority of people. In order to glow up financially, you need to have a rich mindset. This means still treat people well, be a gentleman, and use positive affirmations to push yourself towards what you want to achieve. This will help you grow into the person you need to be in order for you to make thousands or even millions of dollars every single year. Of course, with all of these, I didn't go too much into description, but these are the key traits that will help you glow financially and help you turn into a person who feels confident to reach their goals. I recommend all of you to research these things in order to apply them into your life.